How to add another story on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video of App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple step of adding in a new story if you had previously added one. So if you have added in a story previously, you would see that if you tap on the Your Story option on the top left, it is only going to show you your current story that you have added in. If you had no story added in, you could easily tap on this option and add it to your stories. If you have added in your stories to add in a different story, you'll need to tap on the plus icon that you see on the bottom. If you don't see this plus icon, you can tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. And then from here, you'll have the plus icon on the top. You can tap on the plus icon, select the story option, and now select the story that you want to add in. Just tap on the story and the story will be added to the story section. Now you can easily tap on your story and post a new story on your Instagram. After the story has been uploaded, you can head back and tap on your story and you would see that there are 2 stories on your Instagram account. Similarly, you can add in as many stories as you want. So that was the easy process of adding in another story on Instagram. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.